Hello everyone. Today we're gonna be discussing how to design a dot plot based on a given data set. So here they give us that the data is the following here, right? And we could see that we have a data set here. So he give us numbers that are different values. But one of the things that we gotta notice, right, is how to create a dot plot by creating this number line down here, as we could see, right? The way we created was we created a number line. We looked at what was the least value, the lowest value, which in this case was 3, and the greatest value, which in this case was 9. A lot of times we do see that in mathematics we use a frequency table where we could essentially keep track of the data values and how often they are occurring in the data set. In this case, we have the values 3, 4, 5, the unique ones, right? The ones that don't repeat. 6, 7, 8, and in this case, also the value of 9. So in this case, we could see that the number 3 only occurs once, so the frequency is 1. You could see that the number 4, I'm going to change the color here just to kind of help us. Occurs 1, 2, 3. So we could see that it's 3 times. This is 1. And then we could see the number 5 occurred 2 times, only 2 times here. Then the value of 6 was 1, 2. The number of 7 occurred 2 times. And the values of 8 once, and the value of 9 once. So after that, once we have the frequency, how often it occurs, all we have to do is create dots in our graph. That's why it's called a dot plot. The number 3 occurs once, so we create 1 dot to show that it only occurs once in the data set. And here the number 4 occurs 3 times. So in here we will be creating 3 dots, then 2 dots, 2 dots. The number 7 was also 2 dots. So we could see that that's a frequency that occurred a few times, and then the value of 8 and 9 only occurred once. So that's our dot plot. And why is it that we want to use a dot plot in one variable statistics? Well, the reason being, the main reason we love dot plots is that it's great for smaller data sets. So in this case, it wasn't a big data set. We kind of see the specific way that the data is behaving, right? We could kind of see the frequency occur. In this case, right away, we could see that the number 4 occurs the most often. We could see 5, 6, and 7 occur the same amount of times, and so on and so forth. But that is it for today and the dot plot. Have a great day.